the children of the ancient ones. Oromo Kush roots still standing strong. Waka bless, we carry on. Oh yeah, we stand so strong. Oromo rise, we sing this song. From Bishana Bahia to Lagagite, ancient roots like the Ada tree. No more chains, we break away. God guide us every day. Wisdom flow from the elders' tongue. Truth and justice keep us strong. Oda tree, we gather round where the spirit of the past is found. From Shawa to Alagaland, Oromo rise, we make a stand. Irecha time, we give thanks for life, for peace, for the chance. Hands in the water, hearts so pure. God, our spirit strong and sure. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the Oda, voices rise. One love, one hope, one light. We bless the way. YOOYYA in red, black, white, Safu guides how we talk and pray. No oppressor can take we away. Irecha shine like golden beams. Water flow in sacred streams. Oromo light make Ada gleam. Truth still rise like Gada's dream. From the west to the east, we strong. From RC to Bali, hear the song. From Haraji to Jim, a future bright. Oromo rise, keep Gada in sight. Oromo Kush, we stand so tall. One foundation, one for all. Under the Oda, voices rise. One love, one hope, one light. Waka bless, Oromia we rise. Gada wisdom never die. Truth still shine in the morning light. One love, one hope, one fight.